Humanity's 3 most unsolved scientific questions. Science is one of humanity's most powerful tools, but despite all our advances, technology, artificial intelligence, and space exploration, there are still some questions we can't answer. These questions are so profound that they aren't just a matter of scientific curiosity. They may also hold the key to understanding the universe, life, and even ourselves. Here are 3 great scientific mysteries that remain unanswered and have puzzled humanity for centuries. 1. How did the universe begin, and what existed before the Big Bang? Scientists claim that the universe formed 13.8 billion years ago with the Big Bang. This theory is based on compelling evidence: cosmic background radiation, the receding distance of galaxies, and the expansion of the universe. However, the cause of the Big Bang remains unknown. Even more intriguing is this: what existed before the Big Bang? According to some scientists, there was no before, because even time began with the Big Bang. According to some theories, the universe constantly expands and collapses in a cycle, and after each collapse, a new universe is born. According to quantum theories, the universe could have emerged at a random time from an infinite number of possibilities. However, no theory is definitive. The origin of the universe is not just a scientific question. It is the greatest unknown at the intersection of philosophy, physics, and cosmology. 2. What is the true nature of consciousness? How does the mind form? The human brain is the most complex structure in the universe. 86 billion neurons, trillions of connections. But what we still don't understand is this: how does this biological structure generate consciousness? Who am I? Why do I think? How do emotions arise? What makes us self-aware? Modern science still cannot definitively answer these questions. While some theories suggest that consciousness arises from the complex interactions of neurons, some physicists argue that there may be a mechanism for consciousness at the quantum level. According to more unconventional thinkers, consciousness is a fundamental part of the universe, just like time and space. The day the secret of consciousness is revealed, humanity will elevate both itself and technology to a whole new level. 3rd, why is most of the universe invisible? Dark matter and dark energy. We can only see 5% of the universe. Stars, planets, galaxies, people, everything. These are just a tiny fraction of the universe. The remaining 27% is dark matter, and 68% is dark energy. However, we cannot see, measure, or touch these mysterious substances. We only know their effects. Galaxies rotate very rapidly, but they do not disperse. This means that an invisible substance is holding them back. The universe is expanding at an accelerating rate. This is explained by an invisible energy pushing on space. But what is dark matter? How does dark energy work? Why is it accelerating the universe? None of these questions have yet been resolved. In conclusion, these 3 great unknowns, the origin of the universe, the nature of consciousness, and invisible cosmic matter, are the most fundamental questions humanity seeks answers to. Perhaps the answers to these questions will not only help us understand the universe, but also give us a completely new perspective on who we are and why we exist.